What's going on, YouTube? I'm here, just got some time to install the new RCI skid plate that I received for Christmas. So you can see over here, here's my old factory skid plate. It's been worn, seems kind of flimsy. So I decided to upgrade. I want RCI. It took them about a month to actually ship. I don't know if it was because of the holidays, but received it a couple weeks ago, and we are going to be going up to Calico in a couple of weeks. So I decided it's time to actually install this thing. I got it powder coated. It's the aluminum version. What I did like about it is that it came with this access for the oil filter. So you don't have to take off the whole skid plate to actually do your oil changes. I just thought that was convenient. I didn't really see that in the other skid plates. So decided to go with RCI. So, all right, so this would be the other side of it. This came with a bunch of hardware. This is the other side of the access so you guys can see. And looks like it came with stickers. Cut. Okay guys, so after carefully reading the instructions, I laid out the bolts where they're going to be positioned according to the instructions. First we're going to sustain the skid plate with these 4 bolts, and then once I get it up there with the assistance of my cameraman Mikey, or according to instructions you can use a jack, I'm going to use my cameraman. We'll see what happens. Okay, so we just finished installing the skid plate. I'm going to show you guys what I like and what I don't like. Excuse the fact that the anti-seize got all over the place. Let me show you guys what I like. I like the name of it. It extends all the way to the back. But then here, it's kind of exposed, so I don't know if they sell another filler piece, but I would feel more secure if there was something there as opposed to not there. Well, that's my install. Thanks a lot for watching.